Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to continue with chapter 8, class 10, similar triangles. So in the previous video we discussed page number 204, example 2 sum guys, based on the basic proportionality theorem sum. So based on that I am going to give one practice sum for you. Based on that previous video I gave one sum for practice section. So please go through this sum and solve this sum. For any doubt you can comment me in the comment section. If you need solution for this, you can comment me even that also, so that I can give solution in the next coming videos guys of this sum. Solution will be given in the next video. In the given figure, find the value of x if AD equal to 4x minus 3, AD equal to 8x minus 7, DB equal to 3x minus 1, EC equal to 5x minus 3, and given that DE is parallel to BC guys. Draw a rough triangle and mention all the dimensions based on the BPT theorem, or you can go through the previous videos. Okay, you can solve in that way guys. For any doubt you can comment me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.